What's up everyone, it's your boy GG Kicks, and today I'm going to be unboxing, you guys already know by the title, by the thumbnail, some Kobe Bryant 5s, Protros. We're going to be taking a look at the DeMar DeRozen P.Es that released back in Mamba Week to the public. These were actually scheduled to release earlier this year. After the tragedy that happened earlier this year with Kobe passing, Nike decided to delay the release. So without further ado, let's take a look at the shoe. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys smash that like button and hit that sub button. Also that notification bell because it really helps out. Let's take a look at the shoe. Here's a full 360 of the shoe. Again, this was made for DeMar DeRozen earlier this year. He plays for the San Antonio Spurs now, so this is their colorway. Let's take a closer look. All right, so here's a closer look at the size tag. Kobe 5 Protro, wolf gray / black white. This shoe retailed for $180 on the sneakers app. You were able to get these on foot sites as well. DeMar DeRozen P.E. Let's open up the box. All right, so here's a close-up on the shoe. The shoe is very unique and has a lot going for it. Around here, you guys can see that checkerboard pattern. Gives you those illusion vibes. Around the toe box as well and around the shoe. But in the middle of all that, you got this zebra pattern as well. And the material actually like glows. I don't know if you guys could see that, if that's coming through. That's not any of the RGB lights I have in my room. That's actually just the way the shoe is made. So when the light hits it, you guys can see like that purplish bluish effect, like when water and oil meets in the streets. You guys see those puddles. That's kind of what it reminds me of, those puddles on the street. Kind of have that rainbow effect to them. Has your Nike Zoom airbag in the back of the shoe for support. This is a basketball shoe after all. Let's take a look at the heel here. Has the Kobe Bryant signature, more checkerboard. It's in that mesh material. Let's take a look at the insole. I'll be taking those out for you guys in a bit. Has your carbon fiber on the outsole. This outsole has a lot of grip. As you guys can see, if you guys ever played in Kobe's, pretty nice. I personally don't because I'm pretty big and my ankles, I have weak ankles, so I can't ball in these. These are definitely a dope shoe. The outsole has the Kobe Bryant logo here, and then it just has this crazy sort of maze design on the outsole for the grip. Right here in the toe box, KB engraved for Kobe Bryant. The other shoe has his number 24 on it. Here are both the insoles put together. As you guys can see, it has his face on it with his number 24. You guys can see if I combine both of them. We're gonna keep seeing more Kobe releases as the years goes on, because they're obviously going to retro all his older shoes as they were planning to do while he was still alive. But this one is definitely dope. It's a player edition. Right now it's not really going for much, but you shouldn't really get these to sell them anyways, but they definitely will go up in value as the time goes on. These will most likely never be made again, and they came out on Mamba Week, such a historic week, especially the first Mamba Week. I'm just gonna go over the shoe real quick with my black light, see if there's any glue stains anywhere. And as you guys can see along the stitching right there, there's one, a little bit on the bottom, around the shoe. This is a basketball shoe, so obviously you guys are gonna see that it's not tailored made to be perfect, and these are made by hand anyway, so flaws will occur. All right guys, so my final verdict on these, I give these a 9.5 out of 10. Probably mostly because I'm biased. Anything Kobe Bryant I think is fire, especially these. You can wear these. The Kobe 5s is my favorite silhouette. It's just the cleanest, the nicest. They can do crazy patterns like this. So 9.5 out of 10 on these. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that sub button, and also the notification bell so you guys don't miss another video. See you guys in the next one.